So this is my new toy. It's a Massey 40 digger. Got it for an absolute steal, £500. It runs, drives and digs. It's got 2 buckets. I've got a good friend of mine just bringing it back. We'll take a better look when we get back. So we just got back home with it. It's a Massey 40. Just looks worse than what it is. It's just filthy. That's all it's up with it. Massey 40. I paid £500 for it. 2 buckets. A fair bloody wet bucket as well. Good tyres. Yeah, really good clean. Starts up first time every time. I wonder how that can that get extended out? No, it can't, can it? No. No, that can't get extended out. Front pump in there. I'll show it you running. That's my keys. Brought it to the pub car park because it's that bloody bad every so often. But starts it first time every time. Does run beautiful. Oil pressure normal. Start. Stop pull there. Loader controls here. But yeah, that's about as good as it gets. One thing I'm going to do is change this valve block on the back for one off a JCB. Yeah, change it for one off a JCB. Just make it easier. You can also take the back actor off. One of them pins there. And then you've got the PTO and draft control and everything. That is the serial number for the cab. But yeah, careful with that glass so it won't fall out. But that's going to be everything for this, so please remember to rate, comment and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.